Understanding the mode of action of novel antibacterial compounds is an important but difficult task. This method provides insights into such mechanisms, and it's easy to implement.
This technique allows a real-time observation of antibacterial effects in a non-invasive manner, enabling further sample analysis.
Although practicing with microbiological techniques is a prerequisite, the experiment is easy to perform. Taking your time with data analysis is very important when performing microcalorimetry for the first time.
Begin by using a spectrophotometer at a wavelength of 600 nanometers to measure the optical density of the overnight culture. Dilute the culture to a 5 × 10⁵ colony-forming units per milliliter of fresh MHB medium concentration and add 150 microliters of cells to each 1.5 milliliter tube of antibiotic at the concentration of interest. Then mix the compound with the cells by vortexing. To prepare the inserts, add 120 microliters of each bacteria antibiotic mixture into individual plastic inserts in the appropriate wells of a 48-well plate, and use tweezers to place all of the titanium vials into the holders. Gently transfer the inserts into the titanium vials in the holder plate, and loosely place titanium lids onto all of the vials. When all of the inserts have been transferred, place the holder onto the designated area on the